techies. Alright, so we are on CompTIA Lab 2.1.16 and we are going to set up a desktop computer. Alright, so let's see all the tasks that we need to accomplish in this lab to be able to have 100% score. Alright, so for this, let's see what we have. Here, you are the IT administrator for a small corporate network. You just received a new computer and you are setting it up in your office. In this lab, your task is to set up the computer as follows: plug a power strip into the wall, plug the computer into the wall strip, connect the following components to the computer: keyboard, mouse, and speaker. Add the following objects to the bench and connect them to the computer using the appropriate cables. You have monitors and printers. Plug the following devices into the power strip also, like the monitors and the printer. And we're also going to connect the computer to the network port on the wall plate. You're also going to use these tips to help you complete this lab, which we are going to view the details of the cable and the rest. All of the other details are provided here, and that is going to help us solve the lab. So all of the details here will help you with any specific details you're looking for any of the tasks that we are going to accomplish in this video. Alright, so let's step right into it. If you're new to this channel, remember to like and subscribe to the channel and share this video also in other educational platforms so that other students can benefit also. Don't forget to like and subscribe, very important. And also, if you need further assistance on how to solve any of the lab, hit me up through the WhatsApp number. Alright, so let's go to the electrical outlet. We are going to drag this and drop this here. Okay, so let's see what else do we have. Plug the computer into the power strip. So turn this to the back, and to do that we have to now connect the cables so that we can plug this into the power strip. So we look for the let's see, we need cables for this, so we have to plug this in to the power outlet first, and we turn this on. Let's turn this on, and the next thing we want to do is to go into the cable area, and we are going to get the cables for the CPU. Alright, so we plug this in here, and the other end is going to go into the CPU. So the other end will go into the CPU here, and let's see the next task. Connect the following component to the computer. We're going to connect the keyboard, the mouse, and the speakers also. Alright, so let's see. So we'll go over to the peripherals where we have the printers and the speakers, mouse and keyboard and the rest. So we drag each of them and drop here, mouse, and then speakers also drag them and drop, and just connect all of this to the USB ports at the back of the CPU. The mouse also, let's take the USB end, connect it to the CPU, and connect this here. This is for the speakers. So what we're left with is the monitor and the printer. So add the following objects to the bench and connect them to the computer using the appropriate cables, the monitor and the printers. Alright, so we'll go over to the monitor. We drag this and we drop this here, and for this inkjet we drag this and drag this here. So what is left now is to connect the monitors. So let's turn this to the back and plug this in here, and let's see the other end of this. Plug this here, and this, connect this here. Okay, let's move this here. So, and the other end we're gonna connect it here on the CPU, and that is for the display. You can okay, so let's turn this back to the front. I think we're through with the monitor. We're not connecting anything. And for the printer, let's turn this to the back so that we can connect the USB port and the power also. And let's connect this here. And we'll plug in the power here. So the USB, the other end is going to come here, while the other end is going to the CPU. Alright, so I think we're almost done. We should be rounding up now. We don't have much left, so we have let's see. So what we're connecting now is the network port, so the other end is supposed to go into the network port at the back of the CPU. So the other end is here. So let's see if there's any other tasks left. Plug the following printer monitor, that is done. Add the following objects, is done. The printer and monitor, plug the following devices into the power strip, is done. And plug the following devices into the power strip, that is the monitor and the printer. So we're now going to connect the computer to the network port, and the port we've done that also. So let's just let's turn this to the front and turn this to the front, and let's go ahead and power on this and power on this. Okay, let's try to turn it on again and see. Alright, so this is on, the CPU is on, the computer is on, and you're now inside the computer. Let's check if this, like I said, the internet is working fine, and so internet is connected, So scan for hardware changes. Go to print. Okay, so everything seems done. We just want to make sure that all the devices are connected. Displays in the device manager. So let's go. Okay, so I guess that is it, folks. We'll go ahead and see how we do. Let's call lab. Alright, so far so good. Everything seems to be correct. If you find this video helpful, you know what to do. Hit that like button, share in other platforms so that other students can benefit. Also subscribe if you're new to this channel, and if you have further questions on how to solve any of the test lab, hit me up through the WhatsApp number attached to this video. Alright, thank you for watching, folks, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.